I'll be replacing this attic stair unit. It's 26.5 inches wide, the roof opening, by 54.5 inches. This is the new attic stair unit, partially installed. Unfortunately, I got so carried away on this project, I did not get any pictures or video of removing the existing attic stairs. But as you can see here, the trim is missing around the ceiling and the legs are too long. So at this point in the process, it's very important to cut the legs correctly. They need to be at the bottom level, parallel to the floor, and cut to the correct length and angle. And that's very tricky. This, as you can see, was cut correctly. It's not binding, and this is how it should look once it's installed correctly, so that it's fully extended without any binding in the hinge or the bottom length. This attic ladder replacement is completed. This is a nice upgraded 5-inch step here, so it makes it a lot easier to get up and down. Also notched out a couple grooves here. So attic stairs are notorious for hitting the edge of the molding there, and that'll prevent that. So if you need anything like this done and your attic ladder replaced, give me a call. I'd be glad to help.